Welcome everyone. Today we're exploring a versatile base batter that works for fruit, fish, meat, and vegetables. This is part of the Wild Taste Infusion Elite series, focused on simple foundations that unlock creativity in the kitchen. The goal: show how one batter can adapt to any filling and any occasion. Fritters have a long global history. Ancient Greece, small dough balls fried in olive oil, finished with honey, early sweet fritters. Ancient China, dough filled with meat or vegetables, fried as savory snacks. Medieval Europe, fritters evolved with fruits, nuts, spices, served as sides or desserts. Italy's zeppole are a classic example. Light fritters dusted with powdered sugar. This tradition of combining simple batter with creative fillings is what inspires today's recipe. Start with your dry ingredients: pastry flour, sugar, salt, and baking powder. Sifting is important. It aerates the mixture and ensures even distribution of leavening. This creates a lighter, more consistent batter. Now move on to combine the liquid ingredients: beaten eggs, milk, oil, and vanilla extract. This mixture provides richness, moisture, and flavor. Make sure the eggs are fully beaten. It helps the batter come together smoothly. Bringing it together, gradually stir the liquid mixture into the dry ingredients. Mix until nearly smooth. Avoid overmixing, which can make the fritters tough. Let the batter rest for 30 minutes. This rest period hydrates the flour and improves texture. The beauty of this batter is its flexibility. You can go sweet, savory, or keep it plain with a light sugar coating. Think about the occasion: fruit for dessert, vegetables for snacks, fish or meat for appetizers or meals. Preparation: prep your ingredients properly. Meat and fish, thawed and cut to bite-sized pieces. Fruits and vegetables, washed and cut evenly for consistent cooking. Uniform size ensures even frying and prevents undercooked centers. Cooking: preheat your oil. Temperature is key for crisp, golden results. Dip each piece into the batter and gently place it into the hot oil. Fry until golden brown and cooked through. Drain, cool slightly, and finish with your preferred topping, sweet or savory. This is where you can get creative: cinnamon sugar, chili salt, herbs, sauces, etc. I would encourage experimentation. This batter is a foundation, not a limitation. Try different fillings, toppings, and flavor combinations. Once you master the base, you can adapt it to any cuisine or occasion. Unlock creativity in the kitchen. The goal: show how one batter can adapt to any filling and any occasion. We hope you're enjoying our channel and selection of dishes. If you are, please hit the like button and follow us each week.